Spices. So in today's video, we are going to be baking some pork chops. What I love about this is you do not have to use any crazy kitchen gadgets, just your oven. And it's really simple, and if you like cheese, you are gonna love this cheesy cheddar baked pork chops recipe. So let's go spice things up. What I have right here is some boneless pork chops. Usually I get a family pack and I cut them up. Anyways, and so we are gonna just put them right in here. Any oven safe pan will work. I like casserole dishes for this meal. Now you want to add your seasoning. You can use whatever ones you prefer. This is what I'm going to use. This is from FreshJax. If you'd like a 15% off coupon code, link will be in the description box below. Right, just add them on top. Nice generous amount. Garlic herb. And a grill master. Turn them over just to repeat the process and put the seasonings on the other side. Maple bourbon barbecue rub, garlic herb, grill master. Now we're gonna add some onions, and these are just some that I thinly sliced, and you're just gonna put them on the top of your pork chops. And this is about 1/4 of an onion. And now this might seem like a really weird combination, but trust me, it's so good. You wanna just take some mayonnaise and put some on each pork chop. And then just spread them out. Spread the mayonnaise out. If you have too much, you can always put it on another one, just so it's kind of even. It's kind of like a casserole in a way. And now you want to add some grated cheddar cheese all over the top. Nice generous amount. And then I added a little bit of some Monterey Jack to it just for some extra flavor. And now we're going to put it in the oven. All right, so I'm just putting it in the oven at 375, and we're just putting it in there until the cheese becomes super crispy. And after 45 minutes, it is done, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed making these cheesy cheddar baked pork chops, and go home and make it and comment down below and tell me how they turned out for you. I guarantee you will love them and your family will too. Well, thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.